Hello students, welcome to the chemistry class of class 10th. As if you know, we are going to start a chapter that is acid, bases and salt. And sitting at home studying all the time might be getting bored of it because there's less activity at home. So let's start and study something with more activities. So I am going to play a video which will recapitulate the things which you have already studied in your junior classes. So watch it carefully.
Sour tasting substances contain acids. Some fruits contain citric acid, which is sour in taste. The origin of the word acid is found in natural substances like fruits and vegetables. Have you heard that sting of an ant or a bee contains acid and causes the burning sensation? Different food items contain different acids. Citrus fruits like orange, grapes, mandarin, lemon, etc. contain citric acid.
Students, acid we have done. Now what are bases? Let me show you the activity.
Feeling because it contains base. Thus, those substances whose aqueous solutions have a bitter taste and a slippery feel are called bases. Water-soluble bases are known as alkali. The chemical name of lime is calcium hydroxide. Lime water is prepared by dissolving lime in water. Milk of magnesia is a medicine which helps us in digesting our food. It contains magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. The baking soda used in making cake, breads, and in other bakery items contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. When your mother cleans the window, put a drop of solution she is using on your palm and feel it. You will feel slippery on your palm.
Now students, we will study what are salts. What are salts we will study now.
When an acid is mixed with a base. An acid and a base combine to give salt and water. Let's do the following experiment. Add some phenolphthalein to dilute hydrochloric acid. The indicator remains colorless in the acidic solution. Now we add a solution of sodium hydroxide in the small portions. At a certain point, the indicator changes color, which means that the acid completely neutralized by the sodium hydroxide and some excess hydroxide ions are present in the solution. Reaction produced to salt, sodium chloride, and water. The reaction of acids and bases is also known as neutralization reaction. Sometimes we feel inflammation in our stomach. Why is it so? Our stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, HCl, a very strong acid which helps us to digest food. But too much secretion of acid in the stomach causes inflammation. To relieve the sensation of inflammation, an antacid is taken. Antacid contains base that neutralizes the excess acid in stomach. Soils which we use for cultivation can become acidic or basic in nature. The basic soils are treated with organic compounds which release acid. Thus, the soil becomes neutral.
Now students, I would like to tell you how acids behave chemically. So listen this.
Molecules. Thus, hydrogen ions must always be shown as H plus aqueous or hydronium ion H3O plus. H plus plus H2O gives H3O plus. We have seen that acids give H3O plus or H plus aqueous ion in water. Let us see what happens when a base is dissolved in water. NaOH solid, when dissolved in water, gives Na plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous. KOH solid, when dissolved in water, gives K plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous.
So students, we get to know that how the acids behave chemically, even like they releases H positive ion and bases releases OH minus ion when they dissolve in water. Thank you.